Today, we're diving into the exciting world of machine learning's diverse industry applications and various domains. We'll explore how machine learning makes a real-world impact across different sectors, transforming industries and lives. First, let's explore how machine learning is revolutionizing fraud detection, a critical application in finance. It's all about protecting financial transactions in real time, ensuring security and preventing losses effectively. However, several key challenges make fraud detection particularly complex for traditional methods to handle. The sheer volume of transactions, millions daily, makes manual flagging almost impossible to manage effectively. Fraudsters constantly evolve their tactics, making it difficult for static rules to keep up and adapt quickly. Another challenge is data imbalance, where fraudulent cases are rare, complicating our model training efforts. But don't worry, machine learning offers powerful techniques to overcome these difficulties effectively and efficiently. Anomaly detection helps identify unusual patterns using methods like isolation forests and one-class support vector machines. Supervised learning models, like random forests and XGBoost, classify transactions as fraudulent or legitimate with high accuracy. Deep learning, with recurrent neural networks and long short-term memory networks, analyzes complex patterns and sequences, enhancing detection. Now, let's discuss the core financial risks associated with implementing machine learning solutions in various sectors. It's crucial to understand and effectively mitigate exposure to these potential financial pitfalls and challenges. First, we have credit risk, which refers to the likelihood of a borrower defaulting on their obligations. This assesses the probability that a borrower will fail to repay their loan, impacting financial stability significantly. Next, market risk involves potential losses arising from fluctuations in market prices and rates. It measures the risk of adverse movements in financial markets, affecting investments and assets held by the company. Operational risk refers to failures within processes, systems, or from human error, impacting business continuity directly. This covers losses resulting from inadequate or failed internal processes, people and systems, or external events. Finally, liquidity risk is the inability to meet short-term financial obligations when they become due. This means having insufficient cash or assets that can be quickly converted to cash to cover immediate needs. Let's shift our focus to predictive analytics in healthcare, a domain where machine learning is making huge strides. We'll see how it anticipates health outcomes and significantly improves the quality of patient care effectively. One key application is predicting disease outcomes, helping us understand future health trajectories for patients. This involves forecasting disease progression using a combination of lab results and comprehensive patient history data. Machine learning also enables early detection, identifying serious health conditions much sooner than before. It helps in identifying the early onset of critical conditions, such as sepsis or stroke, allowing for timely intervention. Predicting patient readmissions is another vital area, reducing hospital burdens and improving patient recovery significantly. We can predict the likelihood of hospital readmission, enabling proactive interventions and better discharge planning effectively. Personalized treatment plans are also revolutionized, tailoring care to each individual's unique needs and conditions. This means crafting care plans specifically based on individual patient characteristics, optimizing treatment effectiveness for better outcomes. Finally, chronic disease management benefits greatly, with continuous monitoring and timely alerts for patients and caregivers. Machine learning helps in monitoring chronic conditions and alerting for potential flare-ups, improving long-term health and quality of life. Let's explore how machine learning significantly accelerates the complex process of drug discovery in the pharmaceutical industry. First, ML helps in identifying specific biological targets, crucial for developing effective new therapeutic drugs. Next, virtual screening uses ML to rapidly evaluate millions of potential drug compounds, saving immense time and resources. Machine learning also enables drug repurposing, finding new uses for existing drugs which speeds up development considerably. We can predict a drug's efficacy and potential toxicity much earlier using ML models, enhancing safety and success rates. Finally, ML optimizes clinical trial design and patient selection, making trials more efficient and increasing success probabilities. Now, let's dive into customer segmentation, a powerful application of machine learning for businesses. This technique helps us understand our audience better, allowing for more personalized and effective strategies. K-means clustering is a popular method that groups customers based on their similarities in various attributes. It divides customers into K distinct groups using metrics like purchase frequency or spending habits for targeted insights. This method typically uses Euclidean distance, making it very suitable for analyzing numerical transaction data effectively. Hierarchical clustering builds a tree of clusters, revealing relationships at different levels of similarity. It constructs a hierarchy, exploring customer relationships at various similarity levels, which is quite insightful. This approach is particularly useful when you don't know the optimal number of customer clusters beforehand. Gaussian mixture models assume that your data comes from a mix of several Gaussian distributions. They capture varied cluster shapes by assuming data from mixed Gaussian distributions, offering more flexibility. These models provide greater flexibility for complex customer segmentations compared to simpler k-means clustering. Principal component analysis, or PCA, is used for dimensionality reduction in customer data. PCA reduces data features while retaining most variance, making subsequent clustering analyses much more efficient. It also helps visualize complex, high-dimensional customer data in simpler 2- or 3-dimensional spaces. Let's discuss the crucial importance of demand forecasting, especially in optimizing retail operations. Machine learning plays a vital role in optimizing retail operations by providing accurate demand predictions. Accurate demand forecasts directly lead to much better inventory management, preventing both stockouts and excess. By optimizing inventory and operations, demand forecasting significantly contributes to overall cost reduction for businesses. With a clear understanding of future demand, you can develop much more effective and targeted marketing strategies. It enhances supply chain efficiency, ensuring products are available when and where customers need them. Finally, demand forecasting enables dynamic pricing optimization, maximizing revenue and customer satisfaction. Now, let's explore the significant role of machine learning in advancing climate modeling and predictions. ML significantly enhances climate modeling, improving accuracy and data analysis for better climate forecasts and policy decisions. Today, we're exploring how machine learning is revolutionizing the field of genomics, a fascinating area of study. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast genomic data, predicting disease risks, identifying genetic variants, and accelerating drug discovery. This is truly transformative. Now, let's address the crucial topic of key ethical issues that arise with artificial intelligence. It's essential to understand and navigate the various challenges presented by these intelligent systems. First, we must consider the significant concerns around bias and fairness within AI applications. AI systems often inherit biases from their training data, resulting in unfair decisions in critical areas like hiring. Next, we'll examine the challenges related to transparency and explainability in AI models. Many AI models function as black boxes, making it hard to understand their decisions, which impacts trust. Another critical aspect is establishing clear accountability and responsibility for AI systems. Who is responsible when autonomous AI systems make harmful decisions or significant errors? This is a key question. Let's also discuss the significant privacy concerns associated with AI technologies. AI needs vast personal data, raising concerns about surveillance and protecting individual privacy rights effectively. Finally, we consider the important discussions about AI autonomy and human control. There are ongoing debates about how much independence AI systems should have, especially in critical applications. Let's now summarize the key insights from our discussion on industry applications. These are the essential takeaways regarding how machine learning is applied across various industries. Machine learning transforms finance, providing enhanced fraud detection and proactive risk analysis capabilities. Healthcare greatly benefits from predictive analytics, improving patient care and accelerating drug discovery processes. Retail and marketing use machine learning for precise customer segmentation and accurate demand forecasting. In natural sciences, ML provides more accurate climate modeling and deeper genomic insights. Emerging AI domains include autonomous systems and crucial considerations for AI ethics and impact. Balancing innovation with ethical responsibility is absolutely crucial for AI's positive societal impact.